Caleb and I just played plant surgeon, that Birds of Paradise that we picked up from the store. I was like, okay, there's 3 in here. It's such a small pot. There's something going on here. And they were so root bound, and we were able to separate them. So now we have 3, and I can't believe, like, look at this. This is so cool. I can't believe how easily I was able to wiggle them apart. I was pretty nervous. I thought it was going to be painful for both me and the plant. Right? Wow, cool. It came right away. Cool. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I thought this was going to be very painful. Oh my gosh, cool. Wow, perfect. Easy fix.